It's so early. It's 5 in the morning. We have been up since 4 because we are going to Cambodia. Morning. We are on a visa run. So now we are going to the car to pick us up at the hotel, at the condo. And we are in this van here. So it's many hours in this van. Picked up at 5 and I think we are going to be back at the condo at 3 or 4 in the afternoon. So almost 12 hours here. A long day. So for this visa run we paid 4,000 baht each. And then they are going to take care of everything, I think. So it's going to be an adventure. It has to be fun to see what happens today. I'm done. So we are at the pit stop here. I've been driving for a few hours now. Really comfortable seats in that minivan. We are 9 persons in the bus, 10 with the driver. So 10 minutes stop here, and then we are on the road again to Cambodia. And they're selling some stuff here. We got Amazon, a station to fuel. Some barbecue. I'm not any hungry. Not yet anyway. And we are now at the border. And we are following our driver with our passport and this tag around my neck. It took 4 hours to get here to the border. So it's a big market, many vehicles and many people. Now we have to see what's coming up here. And I am officially in Cambodia for a few minutes. We have now stand in line and we have bring our passport to some service personnel here. And now we are in Cambodia. So now back to the queue again. And I have entering back from Cambodia. I have my passport, all my papers in order, and I'll go back to Thailand.
45 new days.
45 new days.
New stamps.
New stamps and new days. And now we have the new stamps in our passport from the Thai border. So everything is finished, and I think it took 45 minutes maybe. So they are very effective here. So much people just running around with our passports and stuff. So really organized. So that's the 2 borders. It was a really fun experience we had here today. And now we are going to get something to eat, go to a bathroom, and then head into the bus again.
Just 2 bread. No. No. Much?
20 บาท
Cup.
Some bread for the trip home. And here's so many stores. And on the other side there too. A big market here. And here was a quick stop just to show our passports. So this is the last thing to do before we go home. So we have been driving for 5 minutes and then a quick stop. And now we have done a little bit longer quick stop here for some of them in the bus was hungry for some food. So 30 minutes rest stop here. For food and a restaurant up here with several dishes. We just bought some nuts. But I'm gonna have coconut ice cream.
Coconut ice cream.
Yes, please, one.
35 บาท
Yes.
One box.
Yes. เอา Oh, no, thank you. No topping. No topping.
Peanut.
Yes, please. Ah, perfect.
One.
You want one of those?
Yes.
One minute.
Yes. Thank you. What was it?
Marshmallow thing.
Yeah, some kind of marshmallow. But I really like coconut ice cream with peanuts. I have seen that you could get corn on them.
Never seen peanuts. Only in sausage bread.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Let's take this one too. This is yours.
Thank you.
I don't want that. I just want the ice cream. It's not so sweet as usual ice cream. And finally we are back home. There is our condo. It took almost exactly 12 hours. 12 hours from the pickup here and the border, get the visa, 45 days, and then back here. We used the company J&E Concierge. Absolutely perfect service. No problems. They just show us what line to stand in, everything. So highly recommended. So if you go into a visa run from Pattaya to Cambodia, J&E Concierge, 12 hours, 4,000 baht, perfect service, and I am exhausted. It was a perfect day. Khap khun kha.